The World Meteorological Organization confirmed that the 1.5 degrees Celsius was breached after reviewing data from US, UK, Japan and European Union scientists. Extreme weather hit countries globally in 2024, with severe drought hitting Italy and South America, fatal floods in Nepal, Sudan and Europe, heat waves in Mexico, Mali and Saudi Arabia killing thousands, and created disastrous cyclones in the US and the Philippines. Scientists say human-induced climate change is making extreme weather events such as heat waves, floods and storms more frequent and deadly, and this trend will continue if the world keeps burning fossil fuels.
So all the weather extremes that we're seeing are currently occurring in a warmer atmosphere and also with warmer oceans and in an atmosphere that can actually carry more moisture. So all these actually contribute to the fact that heat waves, as we've experienced them in the past, become more intense and obviously also more frequent. Heavy rainfall events can also be more intense because the atmosphere can carry more moisture. And interestingly, the same effect, the fact that the atmosphere can carry more moisture also implies that it can actually extract more moisture from the vegetation and from the surface, and therefore also may make droughts more intense.
On average globally, a heat wave that would have occurred once in 10 years in the pre-industrial climate will now occur 2.8 times over 10 years, and it will be 1.2 degrees warmer, according to an international team of scientists with the World Weather Attribution Group. And as heat waves become more frequent, so do wildfires. In Los Angeles in January, dozens of people died in the flames that spread fast. Whole neighborhoods were left smoldering ruins. Officials said at least 12,300 structures were damaged or destroyed. In Europe, more than 9 out of 10 fires were ignited by human activities such as arson, disposable barbecues, electricity lines or littered glass, according to EU data. Meanwhile, a hotter atmosphere can hold more water, which creates worse storms, and torrential rainfall, which in turn leads to intense downpours, causing rivers to burst their banks, flooding and landslides. Experts say atmospheric water vapour reached a record high in 2024, and the US National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration said it was the third wettest year on record. 6 typhoons hit the Philippines in 30 days last year, a record-breaking storm season in the Pacific Ocean. The likelihood of compounding events like this series of typhoons or hurricanes such as Helene and Milton that hit the United States back-to-back in late September and October will increase with global warming, according to the World Weather Attribution Group.
So climate change really changes the odds, the probability of these events to occur. So while we know that heat waves and droughts and heavy rainfall have happened in the past for hundreds of years, today they come more frequent. That's really to do with the warming climate, the warming atmosphere that just intensifies.
Scientists concur that without steep cuts to the greenhouse gases causing climate change, then heat waves, wildfires, flooding and drought will significantly become worse.